If you are looking for a cute, quick, simple, easy hairstyle for the summer, then keep on watching. So I created these two super cute, simple, messy buns using the Kinkistry 18-inch hair bulk in the natural wave pattern. So I have done several videos with the Kinkistry clip-ins, drawstring ponytails, and wigs, but now they offer the new human braid / crochet hair in the deep wave and also the natural wave pattern in 18, 20, and 22 inches. I will be using the 18-inch bundle to create this look, and I will just be crocheting the hair into the buns that I've created. I'm crocheting the hair in all around the bun, and I am making a knot to secure it in place. I do have a discount code with Kinkistry that I will leave on the screen as well in the description box with the link, so make sure that you check it out. So once all of the hair is crocheted in, I'm just taking the hair and creating a messy curly bun. Also, I'm leaving out some of the curly pieces around the perimeter. And here is the final look. I am absolutely loving these two curly messy buns. Let me know if you try this look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.